In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a brake bleed procedure on this BMW X5. Let's get into it. We're going to remove this cover. Use a 13mm socket. These are wing nuts. You just turn them about 90 degrees. Just loosen them. Once you get those all loose, grab this cover. Pick it up. And it just comes out of the way. Now we'll just take a clean rag, just wipe down the cap. You don't want to get any dirt or debris inside. Take the cap off. Set that aside. Using a fluid transfer pump, you want to take out as much brake fluid as possible. All right, that's good. It says on the cap what type to use. This vehicle requires .4 brake fluid. And top off the brake fluid. Fill it up to the max. There you go. Put the cap back on. Now we're going to go to each individual caliper, starting with the right rear, and then you're going to go to the left rear, and then the right front, and then the left front. We're going to follow that procedure. With the vehicle raised up and all four wheels off, we're on the right rear. Take the cap off the bleeder screw. You can move this wire using a 11mm wrench over the bleeder screw. Then I'm going to use a hose just to keep it clean. And then we're going to have an assistant inside the vehicle pump the brake pedal. Go ahead nice and slow 3 times. And then once they're holding, we're going to open up the bleeder screw. Brake fluid's going to come through the hose. You can see some bubbles. And close it up. All right, go ahead, pump it again 3 times, slow. Put it up again. No bubbles. We'll close that up. Fluid looks clean. Take that off. Go ahead, let off the brake pedal. Snug that up. Put the wire around the cap. Push that cap on. Use a little brake parts cleaner. Clean up the mess. You can have a drain bucket underneath, just so you don't drip it all over the place. And then you're going to do the same procedure on the left rear caliper. And top off the brake fluid. Now we're going to be on the right front caliper. You want to pop the cap off. Put the 11mm wrench on. And the hose. Have the assistant pump. Go ahead and pump the pedal 3 times. Hold it, and then open the screw. Close it up. We didn't get any bubbles there, but go ahead, pump it. And hold it. Open it up. Again, no bubbles. We'll do it one more time. Open it up. That looks good. Close that up. Go ahead and let off. Make sure that's snug. And put the cap on. Little brake parts cleaner. Clean that up. After that, then you're going to go to the left front wheel and do the same procedure. And top off the brake fluid. After that, if the brake pedal still feels soft or the fluid is dirty, you can start the procedure from the beginning and do it again. Then you want to put all 4 wheels back on the vehicle and torque those to 103 foot-pounds. I'm going to take the cover, line that back up. push it in place. And just tighten down the wing nuts. Just twist it like you're tightening it, 90 degrees. There you go. Now that you're done, you can take the vehicle for a road test, double check for any leaks, and adjust accordingly.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.